Dogs present. Hello, people. Today we're going to look at our dogs. Alright, yeah. Today we're just going to look at our dogs. Just for good. And yeah. So let's let's go to the dogs. See you there. We are at treasure the door to the dogs. Once and for life. Okay, so introduce you to the dogs. Here's Rex, here's Coco, here's Heidi, and here's Cheif. Favorite dogs. Well, they're crazy, by the way, sometimes. Cheif is a sneaky dog. Stinky. Take on. Come on. Okay, there. Yeah, so Cheif is a sneaky dog. As sneaky as of all. Comes in every night, uses his to go in. And all the dogs are usually barky. Huh. Okay, so, yeah. So, hi! Hi, YouTube! Oh my god, that's kind of weird. Okay, so, yeah. I usually give them water. See, they have lots of time. They have good time with water, and they only have daytime, and they're almost out. Great. Yeah, so, yeah, this is pretty much it. So, hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you guys back in Minecraft Roblox. Bye.